I've made over $1 million on the Amazon Influencer Program over the last 4 to 5 years. If you're part of the Amazon Influencer Program already and you're looking to streamline, maximize, and be efficient at the program to increase your earnings, there is no better tool. And no, it's not a joke. No, it's not a fake guru. It's nothing like that. I've been around for a while and I know those people. I know Rob, who's made Oink for Influencers. It's an amazing extension that allows you to automate most of the, hard to complete tasks or extremely time consuming tasks, especially when it comes to creator connections. It'll automatically fetch all the ASINs from your storefront videos, cross-check them across creator connections, and automatically auto-accept them. That's just one feature. There's tons of features, from streamlining video uploads to YouTube, to seeing what products are good in your messages from Instagram or Facebook, to scraping daily sales for added commissions. I mean, this is insane. It's a legit tool. Use promo code BULLETS $4. That's bullets, the number $4, all one word, as a promo code to save 10% on Oink for Influencers. I'll also put a link in the description below.